Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, everybody, where we share our best tips and tricks to help you get just a little bit better every week. And this week, we are talking about the best deadline day. Should I do that one again?
No, we need to keep that one.
The best.
I don't even know what happened there.
I don't know. All right.
It happened, and I don't think you can duplicate it.
All right, Eddie. Take off. What's the best deadline day and why? Go.
It's debatable.
Thanks. All right.
I'm going to go with...
Good Lord. And that's the show. And we're moving on.
That's why you come here.
Holy crap.
To get somebody that's going to be wishy-washy and not really tell you the thing.
I need answers. When's best deadline day? Come on.
I choose... it's got to be between Monday and Tuesday. I choose Tuesday.
Choose Tuesday.
Yes.
Why Tuesday?
I, for a long time in my career, picked Friday. Because that just felt like deadline day. End of the week, you put a bow on the project, you send it on, you go home for the weekend, and everybody's happy.
Yeah. Nice and neat.
Nice
Easy.
and neat. In your head. In your head. But nowhere else. Not in reality. Not on earth. Nope. Doesn't happen that way.
Not on this earth or in heaven.
No, the way it always ended up happening was you'd have that moment of realization that you had to make the call home at 3:30 and say, babe, it kind of happened again. I don't think I'm going to make it. I'm not going to be there early. Not only am I not going to be there early, because I don't know how many times that happened. You're coming into Friday and you're thinking, man, no, I got it. And that one thing, you find it. And you have a moment and you're like,
no.
Could I ignore it?
No.
And then I can't ignore it. I got to do it.
Why did I just think of
And you pull the string and the sweater unravels and you're sitting in a shambled mess of yarn at your desk and it's just bad. This happened. I've got emotional scarring from this Friday deadline thing.
I do too.
I hated
really
it.
do. It's so bad.
You know what's ironic too is I'm going to say Tuesday. The reason I don't like Monday is because
it's Monday.
It's Monday.
Why the flip?
Well, Mondays a lot of times are production meeting days and different things. Like you're launching your week. Mondays are very important to me from a production aspect. Like I get a lot done on Monday. Tuesday is where things start to reach cruising altitude.
Second day. Second day. Sorry, that was a Joey Tribbiani joke. Anyway, continue.
Got it.
Yep.
You're kind of at cruising altitude on the week. So you get the benefit of, if you got to put a little extra on it, you can.
Yeah.
You get the benefit of people being around and still engaged on that weekday.
It's true.
So if you have a question at 3:30 on Tuesday.
We're not completely done with the week yet. We're close, but we're not completely
done.
If
you have a question at 3:30 on Tuesday, you're a lot more likely to get an answer.
3:30. That is true.
3:30 on Friday.
That is true.
You host.
Everybody's golfing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You gave yourself the weekend. So let's say that you're looking at it on Friday and nobody likes working the weekend. And you can probably come at me and be like, okay, you didn't want to work late on Friday, but now you're all of a sudden working the weekend. Just hear me out. Sometimes, you do things to try to keep your word. And sometimes things kind of get away from you. They don't go as planned. Go figure. Well, now I have a little bit of contingency in my schedule, which is something that you should learn as a project manager. Build some contingency into your schedule. You get 2 days of contingency in your schedule by scheduling something on a Tuesday. And this is probably a lot more specific to design deadlines. I mean, like we're talking about our deadlines that we've had for structural steel shop drawings, one after another.
You talk about a tangled mess of crap, man.
It can get...
That one could get crazy.
Yeah, it can get be a lot.
Why not Wednesday? What's your reasoning behind not Wednesday or Thursday? Are those bad days of the week to have a deadline, Eddie?
That I'm torn between Monday and Tuesday because I like having that weekend sitting there.
I would say
available
not
to
Monday.
You. But I don't like Monday because there are so many times, specifically me as somebody who's trying to manage and produce, I just run out of me during the day. which means Monday, if I'm going to get, like, let's say I need 6 hours of production to get the thing done, I'm probably going to have 4 hours of management. That's going to be a long day.
What? You just said you ran out of you?
I ran out of me.
You ran out of Eddie?
I ran out of Eddie. Eddie is there. Work Eddie is there from, 7:30 to 5 something. And
Do you have a little Eddie charger or something?
no. Once he's gone, man. No, I mean,
It's finite. It's finite, Eddie.
You can't subdivide yourself and, work. I can't run a production meeting for, my other people that need me to be involved and maybe get involved in something that they're facing to keep them moving forward and work on my thing, which, I mean, this is something that I think everybody kind of struggles with in construction. Like, you have things that you need to do. That might be accounting. That might be your billings. That might be running your lien waivers, whatever it is. You got stuff that you need to do. You need to do the thing. But then you have probably some people looking at you.
Yeah.
And so a lot of times Monday for me is that time where I'm trying to get the people that are looking at me for something. I'm trying to make sure they have what they need. They're launching. I want to be available for that. So that's on me. If you don't have that, perhaps Monday is a good day, but I like a Tuesday deadline for that reason.
Okay. So the moral of the story, Tuesday. That's it.
Tuesday.
We could have done this in probably 20 seconds, but obviously we had a lot more to say about
It's another
that.
7-minute, 5-minute frame. We
Son of
suck
a
at 5
gun.
minutes. We
Dude,
need to
we
just
really need to.
We need to just admit.
We need to put a timer up there or something, or even better. Have you seen those little slap robot things?
No.
That'd be fun. Is that we put one of those little hand slapper robot things in between us, and then whoever forces us to go over 5 minutes gets one right in the face.
Oof.
That'd be a good little method of making sure that we stay on time.
I don't like this game at all.
All right. Well, we'll go to work on that, I'm sure, after this episode. You guys, in the meantime, while we figure that out, go build something awesome.